Hello children, welcome back to my channel. So in this video today I am going to tell you about sight words, how to teach sight words to kindergarten students. Here are a first 40 set of sight words you should teach your child. Before anything, I also will share you the tips and techniques of teaching sight words with young ones, and at the end I am also posting a game which you can play along with your child to make sure if they have learnt these 40 sight words. So this is the first set of sight words which a child should know. In my next video I will post you with another set of sight words, and for those who are coming to my channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. First, what is a sight word? Sight words are those high frequency words which are used most repeatedly in the English language. So kids should memorize these sight words to learn to read and write English quickly. So learning sight words will allow the kids to read a word at a glance. That is the reason we call it sight word. And for sight words, they don't need to decode phonetically and read. They just should read it at a sight, like at a glance. Knowing these high frequency sight words will make it easier for a child to read sentences and storybooks very easily. Lots and lots of repetition of sight words will help kids memorize the word. So when to start teaching sight words to kids? Now if your child is able to recognize capital and small alphabet perfectly without any confusion, you can start teaching them sight words parallelly with the phonic sounds of English alphabet. When beginning with the sight words, take one word a day in the initial stages. Say for example, in a week teach 5 new words. After that, if you feel that a child is learning one word very easily, then you can introduce maybe 2 words a day. But 1 word a day is suggested for an early reader to go with sight words. In each subsequent lessons you teach, do not forget to revise the previous words which you have taught, because revision is very important. Repetition of sight words is equally important for a child to learn sight words quickly, because they should memorize the spelling of a word. So you should not teach so many sight words at a time, because kids may get confused and they may not show any interest in learning sight words. So go by the pace of a child. Solid knowledge of few words is better than weak knowledge of many words. So build the strong foundation of sight words when you begin to teach sight words to kids. In this video, I am going to show you 40 sight words which a child should learn in the beginning. How to introduce a sight word to a child. Here I am going to share with you few teaching techniques which you can start with your child while teaching the sight words. The first technique is see and say. For example, here I have a sight word. Now how do you teach this sight word? In 4 steps. First, see and say. You just have to point out to this and read like this. Down, down. You just have to move your finger from left to right and read the word down. This is the first step. It is see and say. You have to see and say down. Alright, now the second step, spell reading, which means first you have to read the word down. Now you have to read the spelling D-O-W-N, down. Again read the word in the end. This is called spell reading. Down, D-O-W-N, down. This is the second teaching sequence. The third technique is arm tapping, which means the child first reads out this letter down, and then they have to tap their arm like this. D-O-W-N, down. D-O-W-N, down. So this is how you should give practice to your child while teaching them the sight words. Now for example, another word. If there is a word like once, then first the child should read the word once, then O-N-C-E, once. O-N-C-E, once. This is called the arm tapping technique. And now comes the fourth technique, which is air writing. The child first reads the word here, down, then writes it in the air, D-O-W-N, down, and again reads the word. And the fifth technique is table writing technique. In this technique, In this technique, the child first looks at the word down and then writes it down on the table. You can also make the child write the spelling looking at the sight word. So this is the last technique. Applying these 5 techniques together for teaching sight words will activate different parts of the child's brain. For example, they have to see, they have to listen, they have to write, they have to spell it out. Going forward, if the child is able to learn the words quickly, then you can wave off a few techniques. Like writing in the air, you can wave off. Arm tapping, you can wave off. But minimum 3 techniques you have to use for your child to memorize these sight words in long run. Once again, quick recap. The most 3 important technique is see and spell. You have to point the finger and read down. And the second technique is spell reading. Down. D-O-W-N, down. And the third is arm tapping, down, D-O-W-N, down. And the fourth is air writing, D-O-W-N. This enhances the child's imagination power because they have to imprint these letters in their brain. And the fifth is table writing, which is nothing but writing. Once looking at the picture, once looking at the word, they have to write down, D-O-W-N, down. So this is how you have to teach kids the sight words. So 1 a day will be enough. 5 for a week will be enough, but do not forget to revise them as much as possible because revision is very important than anything else, and correct them whenever they are going wrong. They may get confused between similar words, but that's still fine. Repetition and revision will help them overcome all these things. Next, coming to the types of sight words. We have many types of sight words like Dodge sight words, Fry sight words, and top 150 sight words. So here in this video, I am going to show you the set of first 40 Dodge sight words which a kindergarten student should learn. Going forward, I'll also show you those Fry sight words and top 150 sight words. So children, I have the first 40 set of sight words you can learn with me today. So let's start. A, away. A-W-A-Y, away. Blue, B-L-U-E, blue. Come, C-O-M-E, come. Find, F-I-N-D, find. Funny, F-U-N-N-Y, funny. Help, H-E-L-P, help. Ease, I-S, ease. Jump, J-U-M-P, jump. Look, L-O-O-K, look. Mean, M-E, mean. Not, N-O-T, not. Play, P-L-A-Y, play. Run, R-U-N, run. See, S-E-E, see. Tree, T-H-R-E-E, tree. Two, T-W-O-two, we. W-E, we. Yellow, Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. Down, D-O-W-N, down. And, A-N-D, and. Big, B-I-G, big, big. B-I-G, big. Can, C-A-N, can. Fur, F-O-R, fur. G-O, go. Here, H-E-R-E, here. In, I-N, in. It, I-T, it. Little, L-I-T-T-L-E, little. Make, M-A-K-E, make. Mine, M-Y, mine. One, O-N-E, one. Red, R-E-D, red. Said, S-A-I-D, said. The, T-H-E, the. Two, T-O-two, up. U-P, up. Where, W-H-E-R-E, where. You, Y-O-U, you. So these are the 41st sight words a preschooler should learn. Now in my next video I will post you with another 52 words which you have to learn. So stay tuned to our channel for that video as well. Now before we get into that, if you are perfect with these 40 sight words first, then here I have a game with me which you can play, which is nothing but a bingo game. However, when we ask kids to repeat the sight words again and again by heart, they may not show any interest. So that is the reason here I am also giving you games which can entertain kids to stick to the sight words. So here this is a bingo game which you can play once you finish teaching your kids the 40 sight words which I have shown to you. These are the 40 words which we have here with us, and these are the random words. This is same like a bingo game which we play with the help of numbers. Now let's see. Here you can see the first word A. So the child should identify where A is if he's got here in his set, and you can play this along with your child. This bingo game you can play along with your child, and if you have 2 kids you can give them 2 sheets and you can conduct the game. And if you have only one child, then you both can play and you can ask somebody else to conduct it for you. So for example, suppose this is my chart and this is my child's chart here, and let's play the game now. The first word is A. I don't have A here. They have to circle the letter. Once they finish, the second is and. Yes, I got it here. Away. Yes. Big. The child should hunt for the letter and circle the letter. This is so similar to our numbers bingo game. Next is blue. Can. Come. I don't have, yeah, here it is. Down. No. Find. Fur. Funny. Go. No. Help. In. Ease. It. Jump. Little. Look. Make. Me. Not. One. Play. I forgot. Red. Run. So did you see here? One column is finished and you have to reward them for the first letter B. Then next is, we are finished till run, right? Said. See. The. 3. 2. TWO2. Yes, here I finished the first line. Imagine this is yours paper and this is your child's paper, and then you have to play the game. Hope you understood this game. If you have any doubts regarding this bingo game, you can text me or comment me in the comment section below. Let us finish the game and see. Up. Here I finished my line. I. This also is finished. N. V. You have to write B-I-N-G-O like that. Where. Yellow. G, and one last. Here I finished my bingo. So this is how you should play the bingo game with your kid. The one who finishes the bingo first should say bingo. So hope you have really loved playing this sight words game. If you want this chance, you can ping me in the comment section below. I hope you have really enjoyed this video and now you are aware of what to teach and where to teach sight words from for preschoolers. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much. See you again in the sight words part 2 video. Take care. Bye.